Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all? Please write in the comment section how are you all, and hope you are learning this seminar, this webinar, getting the maximum benefit from this webinar, and you are progressing day by day and your mindset are changing. Today the topic which we are going to touch is very sensitive and I hope everyone will like it. That is relationship. When I say relationship, some of might you think that relationship means only for boyfriend and girlfriend. No, it is not only boyfriend and girlfriends. I'm not saying about that. All relationships for all part of your life. It may be your parents. It may be your father, your mother, your teachers, your brothers and sisters. Everyone's around you. You are talking to someone else. You are making a relationship. So relationship is all about things. So today basically we'll talk about three things which will progress your relationship into better next level. That three step is the first one is understanding. Understanding, I mean to say that when you are in a relationship or with a girl or a boy or in a relationship with your parents, anyone's, when you are in a relationship, you should always understand each other. When you are talking to someone else, you understand his or her mentality. You talk in a manner that both understand each other so that it do something better in your relationships and gives power to yourself to being delighted for her or for him. In life, relationship is very important. So in every relationship, you should know the value of understanding each other. If you do not understand each other, the relationship will never be strong. If you are a friend with a friend, means you have a friend. If you are in a good relationship with his or her, you should always remember that you should care for her or him. If you are in a relationship, you should always understand each other. This is my first point. The second point is the trust factor. It's very much important in a relationship, whether in any part of your life, in any relationship. It can be anywhere, your mentor anywhere. This trust factor is the main factor, according to me, because without trust, nothing can be happen in this world. If you can't trust a person whom you are in a relationship with his or her, it means you are making his friend with his or her, then you cannot take that relationship to the next level, to the extend that for a longer period of time. It will end up in short duration. You should have the trust factor. How will the trust factor will come? You have to understand each other. The first thing, understand. The first point is understand. Second one, trust. Trust him or her. Without trust, if you don't like something, just tell it in front of his or her. Don't regret to tell that. Don't lie. Lying is the very bad things in relationship. It makes the relationship bitter. It will take you down. You should understand that you should not try to lie her or him. You should always understand him or her. You should trust her. The second point, him. The third point is very important, that is respect. Do you just think the people, the persons who respect you, do you always liked by them, you always like to his or her, because our human natures always says when someone respect us, we like them. Similarly, when you want someone to love you, then you should respect him or her in every aspect, in everything. Today, I'll tell this 3 points. Let me combine together. In my company, there are peoples who are doing job with me. So we are just like a family, and we have a trust factor. We understand each other. Everyone is important for me. As I am the CEO and founder, everyone is important for me. And every person have a defined level of thinking, but I should understand that. First thing. Second thing, I should trust them. Without trust, I cannot take them in my company. And the third thing, that is, I should respect them. Whatever work they are doing, I should respect them. I should appreciate them for their work in every point of time. Then only I'll tell a good leader, a good person, they will respect me as well as. Similar thing, if you give something, you will gain something. Without giving, you will not gain something. And in relationships, whether you think you should learn one thing more again, that is manner. Manner in the sense that whenever you got something from others, say thank you. Whenever you want to like manner word, you use some phrases like excuse me. When you do something wrong, say sorry. When you want something, when you are asking something, say please. Simple, these words are very simple, but when you use it, it shows that you are a good person. You have a good sense of humor. And you should always learn, again, you should learn about the table manner. Every person has a defined perception, I know. But thing is that when you do something good, the other person feel that yes, that person is something, okay, I should act according to him or her. Automatically they come in that sense. Unless and until you try, nothing is going to happen. You should try first, then others respect you, others will trust you, others will give value to you. The first and the final thing, never take your relationship for granted, not even as for a single day. Never take it granted. Don't just lie. I'm not saying granted means don't take it granted. Be truthful, be helpful, be genius. Today, the topic is this only, relationship. And this is very important. If you're thinking that why do you need relationship for success? Unless you are a good person, unless you are a good human being, you cannot become successful, my dear. You should learn the manners, you should learn the methods, you should learn the skills to be a good person. Then only you will become successful. Every person who are successful today, see them. They have a very good manners. They never, because in the society you should you should have a fame, you should have a name that yes, that person is good. Not because he have money, because he helps others. He's very respectful to others. He's very genius to others. You should also do that. From today, remember these all points, and I wish you all the very best. So as the contest is going on, please participate in the contest, and I wish one of them will win the prize of 5,000 rupees ticket. Thank you so much. Guys.